let's talk about Industry 4.0. All the different relevant issues of Industry 3.0 relevant to legacy system, interoperability, data system, security, and all of these different ones led to the need to actually overcome them and overcome these challenges. That's from one side. From the other side, manufacturing was having the onshoring, reshoring issues where automation was no longer the answer that was needed. And we needed to go beyond automation to autonomy so that we can increase efficiency, increase performance, and all of these different elements. So the transition of Industry 4.0 in the early 21st century brought in so many different things such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, recently 5G connectivity, big data analytics, all of these to the realm of manufacturing. Industry 4.0 is the capacity to connect both the cyber and the physical side of the house while leveraging all of these recent innovations. And that's what Industry 4.0 is.